everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am actually going to do an unboxing and review on this Sharper Image Ultrasonic Aromatherapy Diffuser. I have been looking at diffusers for probably about 5 months now, and I never really came across one that I was like really impressed by. They were either really small, or they were cheap feeling, or they were too expensive for what they were. Until today I came across one that I actually liked, and it's by the Sharper Image, and it was only, ta-da, $24.99 from Marshalls. It's made of ceramic and wood, and it's got a remote control, and that was the only one that was like that. A lot of them are like plastic, or they have like metal, what would you call it? It's like a metal shell that goes over the plastic, but nevertheless they all feel kind of cheap. They had some cool hand glass blown, what is it called? Glass blown ones, but they were still, they were just okay looking. They looked quite retro, like quite 70s. And I just wanted something that was just contemporary and would just fit with my future decor of the future house or flat that I don't have at the moment. But obviously everything I buy has to fit with what I'm going to like be using, be buying, whatever. So anyways, as you can see on the box, it's aromatherapy. It's got an LED light, streaming mist. It's got a timer, color changing, and soothing sounds. And it came with a whole bunch of oils as well. So let's get to this and just open it. I'm so excited. Okay, so as you can see here, it comes with 3 different oils. I can already smell it. One is relax, one is breathe, one is energize. One smells like lemongrass. Oh, it's right here. Oh, it's right here, okay. So relax is orange oil, lemon oil, citronella oil, lavender oil, cedrus atlantica wood oil. Breathe is orange oil, lemon oil, peppermint oil, camphor extract, melaleuca leucandron oil, rosemary oil, eucalyptus globulus leaf oil. And then energize is 100% lemon oil. I think that's the one I'm smelling, because I smell something really lemony. I'm not a huge fan of those, to be honest. My favorite oils are the ones that smell like pine, gingerbread, cinnamon, like stuff that smells like baked goods. Or I love eucalyptus, but I like the minty ones, or the Christmassy smelling ones. I'm not a huge fan of all the citrusy ones, but we'll see. So this is a remote, and there's this tiny little plastic that you have to pull out. It's like the battery to activate it. And the remote is really nice looking. So you can see it's got all the buttons for different functions. The volume, timer, brightness, the sounds, and the mist. And then here we've got the AC adapter. It's white. And there were actually 2 different kinds at the Marshalls. There was one with a dark, like mahogany looking, it wasn't mahogany actually, it was like a very dark espresso colored wood, but it had a crack on the top, and I'm like, no, I'm very anal about those things. So I had to compare, and this wood is very nice. All in one pieces, no cracks or blemishes. And this is the ceramic grey bottom. And then underneath is the plastic tub where you put the water and the essential oils. And then here is an actual button. You can choose 1, 3, or 6 hours. And if it's intermittent, then it can go for 14 hours. But if it's straight, it can go for 6 hours. Is that what it says? Yeah, 1 hour, 3 hour, 6 hour continuous modes. Oh, and streaming mist is 7 hours of continuous and 14 hours of intermittent. And there are soothing sounds, which really was different with this one. So we're going to try this out right now and see how it works. I'm really excited. But it definitely does not look like cheap like a lot of others. And I'm really excited to give this a go. But I really like the remote. I think that's what I liked most about it. And of course, Sharp Image is a good brand. Okay, so we're going to plug this in. Okay, so the plug is in the bottom. This is beautiful. I love the way it looks. I love it. Okay, so we should read directions, shouldn't we? Okay. How to use. Plug the power cord into the power port on the bottom of the diffuser. We just did that. Fill the tank with room temperature water. Do not fill past the maximum fill line. Distilled water is recommended. Okay. Oh, I see it. I see it. Oh, it doesn't take much water actually. Purified water. And we're going to put it to the fill line. Oh, okay. So there's water that goes below, I guess, into the rest of it. Because it keeps going a little lower, so it's not, the depth isn't just what you see. Okay. That's right at the fill line. And then there's a spout. Okay, add 4 to 5 drops of essential oils. We're gonna use my peppermint oil. 1 second. This is my peppermint oil. I love it so much. It smells so good. Four to 5 drops, and add more for a stronger scent. We're gonna add loads because I love it. Okay. Put diffuser lid in place. Okay, lid. Fuck. Excuse me. Still ill. Glad I got this instead of the Vicks vaporizer. I like this better. Nicer, way nicer. Okay, place diffuser in desired location. We're just gonna leave it here. Okay. So we're gonna put this on top. Oh, look how cool. Oh my god. Oh my god, it came with a $25 Sharper Image gift card. How cool is that? Oh my god. I'm so excited. I didn't realise that these things came with those things. Okay. These things came with those things. And things and such things. So let's do this. Place diffuser in desired location. We're gonna put it in the middle of the table right here. Press power button. Oh wait, it says place ceramic shell on diffuser. Doesn't matter. Oh, it doesn't matter. Oh my god, how cool is that?
So this is the box, right? And I'm going to show you all the features again. For soothing aromatherapy, add your own essential oils, soothing sounds for relaxation. Built-in LED provides constant or pulsed soft lighting. Streaming mist, 7 hours of continuous and 14 hours of intermittent. Advanced and reliable ultrasonic technology. 4-timer setting, 1 hour, 3 hours, 6 hours continuous modes.
Cool. Okay, are we ready? There it is. I'm going to take the trusty remote. I'm going to turn it on. Are you ready? Oh my god. It smells great. Look, you can see it changing colour. Wow, it works really nicely. I can already smell the peppermint. It is nice. Look, it's changing colours. Okay, so let's try the light, I guess. I can't decide which one I like. The blue is really cool. I think I'll leave it on the blue. And let's try the music. Oh, the steam button. Let's see what the steam button does. I don't know what that's doing. Oh, that just... So what's it? Oh, okay. So I guess you can turn the steam on and off and still have the light on, I guess. And let's try the music button. Oh. How nice. Oh my god. That's like a beach wave sound. Kind of symphonic. Rainforest. And back to the piano sounds. So there are 4 different sounds, and then you can control the volume. So oh, it goes pretty loud. Oh, it's bloody loud. Wow. If your phone dies or you don't have any, or your laptop dies and you have no source of sound, at least there's one built in to this thing. It's quite cool. And then I think this is the pulsating one, maybe? Oh! Its level of the brightness of the light. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but there's like a very dim one, medium, and then the brightest. I kind of like that white one. Okay, so to leave it on one colour, you just press it a second time and it will stay. I like this colour, it's just kind of white. It's kind of like a bright white purpley LED, but it's cool. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching. I highly recommend. It had really good reviews online, that's why I went ahead and bought it. You guys know I don't buy anything without reading reviews. So I definitely recommend you go to your local Marshalls and find one of these. They are so awesome. I absolutely love it. You totally have this like in the background of my videos with the music and everything. Oops, I literally just unplugged it. Oh my fucking god. Oops. Now I have to do the settings all over again. I love it. It's so cool. I wonder if the actual steam setting means anything. That's off. It's very relaxing. I love it. So I'm gonna leave that peppermint oil right there. And I highly recommend you guys get one. The remote makes everything so much easier because most of these diffusers, you have to go up to it and press the button and things like that. Why did it stop? There we go. Take care, and I hope you check this out. It's really cool. Bye-bye.